Hello everyone and dear students. Have you ever wondered why carbon monoxide is called silent killer while carbon dioxide is not usually dangerous? The reason is simple. Carbon monoxide combines with hemoglobin in our blood at about 200 times more strongly than oxygen and form carboxyhemoglobin. It prevents oxygen from reaching body cells. As a result, a person may experience headache, dizziness, unconsciousness, or even death in severe cases. On the other hand, carbon dioxide is a natural part of air we breathe. It becomes harmful only when present in higher concentration. That's why carbon monoxide is more dangerous than carbon dioxide even present in small amount. Follow the science coach for more such science explanation. Thank you so much.